Next services are like Indian Naval Armament Service and Assistant Naval Store Officer. Okay, so here we will quickly compare these two. This is one and this is two. One is related to the Indian Naval Armament Service. So what is the meaning of the armament? That means arms. Okay, so Navy, whatever it uses arms, then it need to store it carefully. Okay, why it is only for the Navy and why not for the Army? Army is ordnance factory is taking care about that. Okay, but most of the time, whatever Army using, those are mainly imported from the other countries like Russia, Israel, or something like that. Why? Because these arms are working in the underwater. So, for example, here in Indian Naval Armament Service, torpedoes or missiles, all these are some other guns that are mounted in the what is that, submarine. Okay, all these will be procured either from Indian companies or most of the time from the foreign, and they will keep in some store, like how to procure, how to maintain that, how to store it, and whenever Navy need it, then we need to supply in a good condition. When you need to supply them in a good condition, then what happens? You need to have a managerial skill and as well as a technical skill also. Okay, you need to read the manuals and understand the technicalities, otherwise it may become useless. So that is why it is a managerial and as well as technical, but not that much technical. You remember that you are not going to design this or prepare this. Okay, you are simply procuring, you are understanding the requirements of the Navy, and you are procuring and keeping at some places, and you are also procuring the spare part or whatever technical parts required for that particular weapons or the ammunition. Okay, that is our duty here most of the time. And here the promotion is time bound. Why? Because the name is services. Whenever there is a service in our post, then the promotion is time bound. Okay, and the good advantage about this is it is in the most of the cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Vizag, Kochi. Okay, it is mostly in the cities. Why? Because there only Navy establishments are there, and the facilities you will be having a township where recreational facilities like sports facilities, swimming pool, everything will be available, and military canteen. See, where all the 6 services that I mentioned under the Ministry of Defence, they are entitled for this military canteen. Okay, for the non-liquid items are available. Okay, discount on the non-liquid. Non-liquid means the liquor is not included for this civilian post, only for the uniform people it is allocated for the uniform people. And here, if you remember these two, here also the competition, if you see the competition for these two, the people are recruited from ESC, that is a civilian plus Army. Okay, the same rank officer can be come to this service on the deputation basis. So generally competition, when it comes to the competition, because most of the people are from the Army, so they try to favor their persons than ESC in some of the cases, and always there is a try to show their hegemony. They always try to compete. And of course, it is related to the naval. Of course, they try to dominate that. That is always there. And promotions is time bound, and this is like an office job. Okay, it is only store officer, so it is like a 9 to 6. So you can manage your family life and work balance is very much maintained here. Not that much tension here. Okay, in this Indian Naval Armament Services. And coming to the Assistant Naval Store Officer, here the term services is missing. That means the promotion is not time bound. Okay, so here what we are doing, what is the difference between these two? Here Naval Store Officer, if you remove this is also Naval Service, Armament Service. Okay, here not only storing, we are also understanding the procurements that we are doing. That means you need to have some technical knowledge also. But here store officer is like a more of managerial post here. Okay, And here planning, procurement, store and dispatch of the parts that are related to the ship when ships are building for the navy, and also like clothing or the requirements related for navy establishments like stationery stores or whatever they need, everything you need to store it, and whenever they want you need to supply that. Okay, and there are no time bound promotions, but non-functional monetary benefits are there. For example, after 2 years or 3 years, the equivalent servicemen are getting the promotion in other services. You are not getting the promotion, but at least they will increase your pay scale level to the other people. Okay, if your initial pay scale is 5,400, then they will increase to the next pay scale. Okay, and then non-technical only managerial, and this is also situated in the townships, like townships, and your quarters are in the townships which are having the recreational facilities. Okay, and the military canteens are there, and it is also situated in the Mumbai, Delhi, Vizag main cities. Okay, and this is also office job on 9 to 10. Okay, so here these two are very cool jobs. Okay, not that much in pressure on you as like in the railways, or even previously we have seen like construction and maintenance work. Okay, there also you need to travel a lot, but here you don't need to travel that much. And if you are a civil engineer in the construction, then you feel lot of pressure. Why? Because the government give one completion date, and you need to chase the people to complete the project before that. But whereas here it is very cool job compared to them. Okay, so we have seen all the parameters, and the status and the power is very less here, these two. Okay, that is why even though it is very cool job, not many people are opting this. But it's not like that. Based on your requirements you can adjust everything. Okay, if you want to really always want to be occupied, then you can choose the service whichever is suitable to you. Or if you want a balanced life, not that much tension, then you can choose these. Okay, and here apart from the Sundays, in case of naval store officers, every second and fourth Saturday also holiday. Okay, most of the defense establishments, what happens, Sunday is holiday, but Saturday will become off day. For example, if you take the ordnance factory, it is in a 1 week 1.5 day holiday. 1.5 day holiday. So if you take off in the Saturday, then full day in the Sunday. If you are not taking off in 2 Saturdays, then it will become 2 complete off on 2 other remaining Saturdays. Okay, that is how it will go. Here also like that. In all defense related thing, it will go like that. Okay. And if you come to the construction and maintenance, there also holidays are there, but it is sometimes demanding, like if some project needs you urgently, you need to go. Even while you are doing the maintenance, if some problem comes, then you need to respond to that. Okay, it is not like after going to home at 6 o'clock no one call you. You need to respond in those cases, especially even in the railways also.